Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to take a look at doing what's known as the Shelby Drop on my 65 Mustang. What this will do is it'll actually take these two mounting bolts for the upper control arm and lower those about 1 inch and 1/8 back. This is one of the better steering upgrades you can do for your Mustang. There are some other options out there, some other different control arms and setups that you can get kind of the same effect, but this is one of the easiest and cheapest upgrades you can do. Now, what I ended up doing here, the good people over at Open Tracker Racing actually provided for me a template for drilling the Shelby Drop. And you mount the two larger holes here to the original upper control arm. And then it's got these pilot holes you can drill using 1/8 drill bit to line up the proper location for the Shelby Drop. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt this in. I've got the arrow facing forward here, so I got the directionality right. I've got a set of bolts here from the old upper control arms that I popped out of the back, and I'm going to use to fasten this to the car, and then we'll get drilling. All right, there you have it. A little bit of elbow grease to get that going, but finally got there. We got the holes, the 1/2 inch holes now, about 1 inch lower and 1/8 back, just like the template had. And in our next videos here, we'll go ahead and get the control arms bolted up. Join me next time. Thanks.